Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix delayed notifications on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. So the main reason behind this issue is the battery optimization feature, which is enabled by default, and there is no way that we can fully disable it on this smartphone, unfortunately, but we can disable it for certain applications. And since some applications like messengers or mail applications, well, we prefer them. We would like them we would like to receive notifications from them as soon as they receive them, as soon as we receive some urgent message or just a message. And in order for this to happen, we're gonna have to change some of the settings for these applications. But first of all, we're gonna have to find them either here or in the apps menu in settings. And if you are on the home screen, you just have to hold your finger down on an application that you want to fix, then tap an info icon right here, and then go to battery, and then change battery saver to no restrictions. And no restrictions will basically won't let your battery restrict your app's activity. Therefore, all the notifications will come to you in time. Besides, make sure that notifications are enabled for this app. So go to notifications menu and make sure that show notifications is toggled on. And do this for every application that you want to receive urgent notifications from. Well, rapid notifications from. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.